Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm here to talk about how Turns has positively affected my running the laundromat that I work in. I am currently working with my brother in the Wash House Laundromat in Newburgh, New York. I currently have Turns software in my laundromat presently. One of the key issues that it solved for us is we no longer have to write everything down to keep track of everything. Everything is now computerized, so we no longer have to keep a piece of paper. All of our customers can now get the text message. They don't have to worry about their slips. They just show us their text message and we can compare it to what they have behind here. Like we have an example right over here. If the customer were to come in, all they show is their text message and we compare it to this piece of paper. Everybody's assigned a specific number and we go from there, and we no longer have to research by name. Their numbers and names are in our system. About the minute I realized this system was extremely effective for running this business is about 3 to 4 months in. We were able to put all of our customers in our system and send out any any updates via text message. So all of our customers got text messages of when their laundry's put into our system, when we start the laundry and when it's ready. So we no longer have to physically text the customer or call the customer. They know their laundry is ready. Plus it helps us keep track of our soap inventory. We can now operate through DoorDash as well as operate our own pickup and drop off system service right through the system. So we know if a customer requests a pickup or drop off, we get the text message via our Turns software. Turns has always exceeded their customer service because every time we have an addition or we want to change something within the system that we think would be effective and easier to deal with, they've been on the ball and taken action right away to get that taken care of and added to our business to operate it even better. And they've been doing their research as well in the general vicinity of laundromats, and always had like a weekly meeting, weekly recommendations. I'm like, listen, this could be better for this reason. Can we try it out and see how it works? The top 3 products that I like about their software is obviously we no longer have to write anything down on a piece of papers. Everything is via text message. The second thing is their inventory. We can track our inventory, so I no longer have to physically keep inventory on a daily basis. I can just check into the admin side of the software that they created, and I can keep track of how much inventory I have left. So this way I know when I can do my order, and I know how much to order. I know what's selling and how much I'm selling. It's just a little bit easier on my shoulders when doing that. Compared to other products, I really like this software better because it adds more to the way modern laundromats are running. We can link it to what we need to do. We can keep track of our sales and cost even better, to see what's going in compared to what's going out. Plus we can compare our inner Excel, we can cross over with Excel to keep tracks of our sales better and to see when our busier times are, and then when our machines are being used the most, as well as our wash and fold business and our machines when customers walk in and use the machines. It's a simple program to use, but it adds a lot more to where laundromat owners could be utilizing their business and saving time and energy. So that's why I think this Turns and their software has so much to offer and so much more to help laundromats grow their business as well.